Hello, my name is Michael, and today I will talk about how to open a free demo account at the popular Forex and CFD brokerage company Plus500. So if you want to know how to open a free practice demo account with this company and how to open a trade and work with the platform, stay tuned because we are just starting. So, to open a free practice demo account at Plus500, you first need to visit their website. And to do that, you can use either the link down below in the description, or you can type in plus500.com in your browser. Once you are on their homepage, you can see what trading assets you can trade on their platform. This means you can trade CFDs on shares, indices, Forex, and cryptocurrencies. If you scroll down, you can see their advantages and why they are so popular among their traders. If you click on the home page on Try Free Demo, you will go into a process where you can open a demo account. We will click here on Don't have an account, create one now. And here we will fill in our email and our password. And I will hit create demo account, and now our account is being opened. It was fairly quick. Depending on from which country you come from, you will either have your demo account balance in pounds, USD, euro, ZAR, or other currency that Plus500 supports. Now I have 40,000 pounds here that I can trade with. Here are all the main categories. So here are all commodities, all indices, Forex divided between major, minor, and exotic pairs. And if I scroll down even more, I have here indices options, shares options, and ETFs. Now, if I go, for instance, to major Forex pairs and click on Euro USD, a new graph with this currency pair will appear. In this graph, I can change whatever I want. So I can change the graph from 1 minute to 5 minutes. This means that, or I can change it from line to candlesticks. Now each candle will represent 5 minutes movements on the market. Now if I want to open a trade, I can click here on sell or on buy, depending whether I think the currency will go up or down. And if I click here in the right corner on instrument details, I can see the trading conditions that applies to this trade. This means I can buy the asset for this price and sell it for this price. And I can use leverage 1 to 30. Here is the spread between these two prices. This is the main fee, how Plus500 is compensated. There are also overnight fees if you stay in position overnight when the market is already closed. This does not apply to you if you are in a trade, for instance, only for a couple of minutes or hours, and you close it prior to the close of the market. Here are also all the upcoming events that might affect the price of this currency pair. And now if I decide to open a trade, I click on buy and I set an amount I want to invest in this trade, and I can close the trade at the profit when the currency pair reaches a certain price, or close it at loss again when the currency pair drops down to a certain level. I can see also an advanced options and info, basically all the information about the trade. Now I hit on buy and my trade is open now. I can see it right here that this is my trade. And if I go here in the left corner, there are open positions. So if I click that, I can see all the open positions that I currently have. Here you can manage all your trades, close them, do whatever you wish to do with them. And this is how to open a free practice demo account at Plus500 and how to open a new trade and how to work a little bit with the platform that is unique for Plus500. If this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.